there, friends. Thanks for checking in at the Taurus booth, SHOT Show 2018. Here we have Vincent to show us some of their newest products.
Hi Dan, one of the things we have here is the new Taurus 1911 Commander. It's Commander style with the short barrel, but still has the full-length 8-round 45 ACP magazine. The lock is only on the right side. Drop the mag. Smooth action, in black, retails $609.
Wow, great price for a 1911. And were you telling me this made big news on Fox News?
Actually,
they covered it?
The Fox News came in today, and they actually ranked this as one of their top 5 concealed carry for 2018 SHOT Show.
Wow, nice. And it also comes in a smaller package, right?
Exactly. This is a first for Taurus to offer the 1911 in the Commander and also in the officer size. The officer size is 6 rounds of 45 ACP.
Wow.
And a retail price of $609.
That's one of the things Taurus has always been able to do, and that is to keep that price down.
Well, it's one of the value that we bring to the marketplace. For those who want to get into a 1911, this is a good starting point.
All right. Let's go take a look at that Spectrum, because that's been getting a lot of positive reviews as well.
On to the Spectrum. Hi, here we are at the Taurus Spectrum. As most of you know, the Taurus Spectrum made its debut last year, but we're putting it in the forefront again this year. It's a 380 ACP, comes with 2 magazines, a 6 and a 7 round. The 7 round has the pinky slot to provide natural point of aim. You also notice how all the edges are rounded. So basically we've eliminated any snag points. The backup magazine holds 6 rounds and will have a flush mount.
Nice.
The MSRP on this particular model is $299.
What kind of feedback are you getting with the Spectrum?
The Spectrum is gaining a lot of popularity. There are a number of holster companies that are already making holsters for the Spectrum. If you carry a 380 and you want something that's very concealable, this is the gun for you.
All right. All right. Well, I appreciate it, Vincent. Thank you so much. Good work over here with Taurus. And I appreciate you watching. And you guys be safe.